I've opened up the Elevation Profile Maker, and this app lets you draw a line to highlight an area. To draw that line, you're going to click on the pencil, click once on the map, drag to continue, and then click 2 times, double click, to stop. So now you've kind of identified an area that you want to turn into a graph. And this graph is going to show how tall that area is over a certain distance. So the x-axis is distance in miles and the y-axis is elevation in feet. And you can see that the line that I drew is started in a flat area, and then it crossed over the Rocky Mountains. And so you can see the graph changing to acknowledge the elevation of the mountains. And then it ended in an area that was also on the flatter end, or moving towards a more flat, plain-like environment.